Hi, my name is Carlos Elizondo and I am a product specialist at Vertiv. In response to the growing demand for rapid data center deployments, Vertiv has developed innovative approaches to address one of the industry's most pressing challenges, meeting implementation timelines, while maintaining high-quality cooling infrastructure standards. Meeting timeline requirements with Vertiv CoolPhase technology is possible. Factory integration is the cornerstone of Vertiv approach to meeting tight timelines. The pre-engineered and factory-integrated systems dramatically reduce on-site installation time by minimizing the need for complex refrigeration line work and reducing dependency on multiple subcontractors. Vertiv CoolPhase systems can be commissioned in just days. This is achieved through self-contained units with integrated controls and refrigerant circuits designed to rapidly switch from modes between air cooling to liquid cooling. The simplified infrastructure design means faster setup and reduced project complexity. Vertiv's standardized reference architectures based on thousands of previous deployments reduce design cycles and eliminate time-consuming customization processes. The system supports quick expansion without disrupting existing operations, enabling fast-track phase rollouts that align with immediate timeline requirements while accommodating future growth needs. In conclusion, Vertiv CoolPhase technology directly addresses the challenges of strict implementation timelines by reducing complexity, minimizing on-site work, and accelerating deployment from installation through commissioning. Vertiv CoolPhase offers a strategic solution for business facing time-to-market pressures. Through our standardized, pre-engineered systems and streamlined processes, we empower our customers to meet growth objectives while maintaining operational excellence and cost efficiency.